everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I'm out here today on a very windy day, so hopefully you all can hear me okay. I have a mic on so that way you guys can hear me and not just hear the wind sound. But it is very windy. That being said, I was supposed to be planting 3 different mustard packets of seeds, and somehow the wind took away one of my packets. I found these 2 because they blew away too, but I found these 2 and one of them went and flew away somewhere in the garden, so hopefully I find them soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and plant these 2, but I'm sad. My favorite red giant is missing, so hopefully that one will be found very soon. But I'm going to have to settle for planting these 2 today. So we are going to be planting some Southern Giant Curled Mustard and some Mustard Savannah. Now these ones aren't as pretty as the Red Giant one that I was going to plant, but I think all mustard is so pretty, and that is actually the primary reason I like it, is because it is really pretty, looks super ornamental. I personally don't enjoy the flavor because it tastes just like mustard, and I am not a mustard person at all, but everybody else in the house is, so I grow this a lot for them, and they love to use these. They look like just like lettuce leaves, and we pull them whenever we make things like hamburgers, sometimes different salads also, and put it in there, and it tastes just like mustard. And believe it or not, it really does. I've tested it myself and I did not like it, but everybody else in the family loves this, so we're going to be planting it today. So not only does this taste just like mustard, it adds a lot of nutrients too, and it is super healthy for you. So I wish that I liked it, but I don't. But instead of this, I always add in kale or spinach or something like that to make up for it. But this one is super healthy too. So I'm going to plant these mustard seeds in these 10-gallon smart pots that I have here, and they're actually the perfect size to fit a seeding square on top. So it's going to make planting these a whole lot easier, because you can do mustard seeds as 16 per square. So that will really help to make this easier on me. So I'm going to use the seeding square and just go through, and every one of these red holes, I'm going to drop a seed into there, and that's about it. So now all I'm going to do, after I get this closed, I don't want all my seeds going in. Wind takes this again. Take this off, and then I'm just going to gently cover up the seeds that I just planted and put my label in. And then I'm also going to pull up on my phone to the From Seed to Spoon app, and I'm going to pull up the Garden Plus section, and I'm going to put in there that I planted these mustards today, so that way it'll tell me when I can expect these to sprout first and then also harvest, and I can keep track of things like watering, and if I found any pests or anything like that, I can keep track of in there too. And if you haven't checked out our app before, make sure that you check it out and download it. It's available on iOS and Android, and it'll help walk you through growing over 100 different fruits, vegetables, and herbs, including mustard. And if you haven't tried growing mustard before, I highly recommend it, just because, I mean, obviously it's super pretty too, but it is very good for you, and it's something that's easy to replace in the kitchen. So if you are somebody that really likes to eat mustard, this is something that would be great for you to add and grow in your garden, because you'll actually use it. So it's something that you can just come out here, take a leaf or 2 off, and add it to your hamburger and see if you like it. Okay, so that's it to planting mustard, and I am going to hopefully find my missing seed packet. I'm going to go on another search for it. So fingers crossed for me that I find it out here in the garden. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Okay, I found it. Yay! It's a miracle. So I just wanted to share. I found it. We're all good. I'm going to plant it now.